Outdoor Weather Resistant Keypad Kit. Don't forget to always isolate your connections with electrical tape or wire nuts. First, cut off the end of the power supply wire. On the transformer, identify the positive and negative wires. Note the positive side has the white dashes along the wire and the negative is solid black. Insert the provided key on the keypad locking mechanism and turn it to the open position. Remove the back plate of the keypad box. On the terminal block J4, which is power and inputs, locate the connectors 1 and 2 and connect a piece of wire to each one. Keep in mind connector number 1 is the positive terminal and connector number 2 is the negative terminal. On the terminal block J3, which is the outputs, connect a piece of wire to the connector number 2, common, and a piece of wire to connector number 3, which is normally closed. Now connect the common and the negative from the keypad to the negative from the power supply. Connect the positive from the keypad to the positive of the power supply. You should have the wire of the normally closed free for the next step. On the linear DRA digital receiver, locate the power input cable and connect each wire to the power supply circuit wires, keeping in mind that the gold color wire is the positive and the silver color wire is the negative. Connect the wire from the normally closed of the keypad to the normally closed of the receiver. connect the piece of wire to the common of the receiver and have it ready for the next step. On the push button, locate the normally closed terminal and connect the wire coming from the common on the receiver. On the push button now, locate the common terminal and connect an extra piece of wire, have it ready for the next step. Connect an extra piece of wire to the negative terminal of the maglock. Connect an extra piece of wire to the positive terminal of the maglock. Connect the wire coming from the negative on the maglock to the wire coming from the common on the push button. Now connect the wire coming from the positive on the maglock to the positive of the power supply circuit. You should now have a fully operational kit. Connect the power supply to the power outlet and test all your devices. Thank you for watching, and until next time.